Hello, everyone. This is Amanda coming to you with a quick video. Listen up. If you are here for the first time, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about the work from home opportunities that I'm currently promoting. And not only that, learn how to make a full-time income from the comfort of your home. And what I'm going to do today is present to you information about a postcard program opportunity that I've been involved with for over almost a year now. And I've been promoting postcard opportunities since 2016 consistently. What I want to share with you guys first is just some proof. And not only that, just to share with you the experience of what to expect when you join this opportunity. And we're going to go over the most common questions that we receive from people who are looking to join this opportunity. So here, I'm going to go ahead and hit this refresh button so that you guys can see that this is in real time. Here I had $119 that came in yesterday. Every day is not going to be where there's a ton of money coming in. It's going to fluctuate where you're going to make more some days and less others. And that's okay. As long as you start to see consistent results over time, that's what truly matters. Okay, so 119 yesterday, I only had like $15 coming today. This is from another opportunity. But right now I have $7,334 available to pay out, okay? If we hit this view button, this is my total. Soon I'll have $187.47 available as well. And this will probably hit my account within a couple of days, okay? So with that said, yes, I do use Stripe to process some of my payments. I do get money in the mail sometimes, and then also I have other accounts that contributes to a full-time income for me. And it's really up to you where you're located and what opportunities you're in, how you're going to get paid. If you're in the United States and you decide to go with this opportunity, you're going to get paid mainly by mail, in a form of a check or cash, okay? So if you are new here, again, I have some videos. You wanna start with day one, where I go over information about this opportunity. This is going to be a part of a playlist on what to expect when you join this postcard mailing opportunity. And I take you through a series of the things that are most important, the things to focus on, and the things that are not important when it comes to being successful with an offline business, okay? So here is the sales page that is available for those who want one. It's for the Cash Building System Unlimited, which is the postcard program that I'm currently involved in. And this is going to give you information about how the opportunity works and what to expect with this opportunity. Some people want to know, do I have to do this online, or can I do this mainly offline? You can do it online or offline. I recommend both, but I started out doing this mainly offline, and then I started to leverage the opportunity with my results, and I started going online to promote this. But in the beginning, for a lot of months, it was just an offline opportunity for me, because that's what I understood, and that was the easiest way for me to start generating an income. So here, this is the front of the postcard. Every person gets an ID number. Someone asked today, do you also get an affiliate link? With this opportunity, you do not get an affiliate link, you get an ID number. Everyone gets paid through their ID number. You cannot sign up without an ID number. And then if you want, you can also grab yourself a website, which is how you can promote the opportunity. And that is going to have here your ID number and your information. So as you guys can see, it's my picture, my email, phone number, and my sponsor ID for people to contact me. Now, if a person wants to pay by mail, all you have to do is click on this link. Everyone gets this form. This form gives the information about the opportunity. Phase one, starting at $50, which is a one-time payment, is going to get you your 200 postcards and your 200 leads. When you upgrade to phase two, it's going to get you some additional postcards and leads, depending on what level you come in at. But at the lower levels, level 1 and 2, you're going to get 200 postcards and an additional 200 leads just by upgrading to one of these levels. Whatever level you come in at, this is how much you get paid from people who come into that level underneath you. And this is how much your sponsor is going to get paid. The company does take a 10% monitoring fee, which is not a lot. And that's for them to process your payments, for them to send out the postcards and the leads to the people. You don't have to worry about any of that, because the company takes care of that for you, okay? So your information is going to be on this PDF. You're going to, again, get this by mail. And if you decide to get a website, this information is going to be attached to your website. So a person can come here, they can print this form out, mail this form in with their information here. They can send it in with a money order, a check, or cash, send the amount in, and then they will get their information in the mail to whatever address they add here in this section. Okay, so this is what the form looks like that comes with every single membership for this opportunity. So another thing that people wanted to know is how often or how quickly can I get paid? Now, how often you get paid, the company does send out payments weekly. Sometimes I get payments twice or 3 times a week. There's other weeks where I'll get a payment just once in the week. So it depends on how quickly the payments are coming in, and when they come in determines on when you're going to get your check. But normally it's once a week, okay, that you will receive your payment in the mail from the time people start joining the opportunity using your ID number, okay? So that's how it works. I'm sorry about that, guys. My phone rang. I normally turn the ringer off, but today I forgot and I apologize. So what we were discussing was the website and what are the important things that you need to have and the questions that we pretty much go over. So another thing people ask me is, if we went over the affiliate link, the other thing is, do I need a website? Absolutely, you should get a website. The reason why is because even though this is an offline opportunity, a lot of people go online to make sure that things are real. They want to know more information and they want to investigate pretty much to make sure that it is a legitimate opportunity. The best way for them to get the information is through the website. But not only that, we have fast action bonuses that's available to our team. So if you come under me and then your teammate wants this website, they'll be able to get this website along with the fast action bonuses that we give to our entire team. So you're able to offer them perks, and not only that, ways to speed up their results by giving them the opportunity to get these fast action bonuses. That's going to help them to understand what they need to do, how to get started. And then it limits the amount of questions that a person will have for you because they're getting everything that they need when they join this opportunity. Okay. So that is very important. And people always ask me, well, do I have to get it? No. Do we highly recommend it? Yes. Okay. And again, this is just going to limit the amount of questions a person have to you. And then this is going to make them more comfortable to want to upgrade because they have all of the moving pieces that they need in order to be successful. Okay. Another thing people ask, is this for the US only? I know right here it's kind of small, but right here on the website, it is only for US residents. So if you are outside of the US at this time, we cannot work with people outside of the US because the program is not available for that. It's only available for US residents only. So you have to be here in the US in order to get started with this payments. They do not send payments out to other countries and other places for you to be a part of this opportunity. Not only that, the leads are for US people that are in the United States, okay? They're providing you with the leads, and you're only going to provide leads for those who are in the US, okay? Here, some people want to know, why do we have to contact you to upgrade? Because at level 3 and higher, it comes with some one-on-one training and mentorship that I want to make sure that everyone gets at the higher level. Not only that, we didn't want to have a ton of buttons on this page where it looks kind of messy and it gives people too many options. So for those 2 reasons, you do have to contact me directly in order to upgrade to the higher levels if you decide to go to level 3 through 8. Okay. And again, these levels are also going to get you more postcards and leads for you to start promoting the opportunity. So another thing people wanted to know is, can I make money with just postcards? Yes, you can. Again, I started out with just postcards, and you can make money with postcards. If you add an additional offline marketing strategy, it's going to just accumulate your results faster. If you add online marketing, it's going to accumulate your results even faster. Okay. So again, this information, if you want to take a look at this website and really go through it, the information is in the description right below this video. You can go ahead and take a look to get started. Or if you want to just go through the website, maybe watch the video to get some more information, you can do that as well. Again, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to be a part of my journey and what I do within the online and offline space. Thank you so much and have a great day.